What's going on, everybody? I'm Sean Solo, Devil RC. I'm with Francisco, where I get my ice creams and all my good stuff. Say what's up.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Hi. All right. Thanks. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, thank
all right.
you.
Yes, sir. If you ever need some really good stuff, look at, she's munching down too. Oh man, he's got the snacks, but they closes at 7, so you got until 7 o'clock. Let's see what's going on. Wednesday night. Oh shit, we got Wiggins. Wiggins is doing a double feature here. Wiggins has got his laptop in the back room. He's doing kind of just shady stuff. Not really shady, but it's cool. We got other cats here with their sons, all jibby jamming over here with some snacks and shit. Got other people's over here practicing, doing their thing. People here last night, coming in tonight. We got stadium truck, which I really need to get one of them. I feel like that's like the next step I want to take. Oh, let's go help out some flips, guys. Come on. Yeah, I got it. Always keep your hands away from the wheels. Ooh, nice. I like that. Practicing and shit like that. We got some other cats over here. I think we got a few mini Bs going. We got the 2-wheel drive buggies going today and some 4-wheel. I'm not sure. So we'll see. Do we have 4-wheel? Yeah. We got 4-wheel, we got mini B, we got 2-wheel buggy, and that's about what we got.
We're not doing 4-wheel drive today, Slaughter? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right, we'll stay tuned. We'll see what we get in.
I'll take it home once I get a mag.
All right, like I said, I don't know if I can get Wednesday or Thursday.
All right, we got stadium truck going.
I got lots of transponder work to work out here, guys. So as soon as Manuel gets around there, he might be the only transponder in the right vehicle. Let's find out. All right, no more laps. Let me get these transponders worked out. Do it, yeah, just roll them over, there you go. I like it. We're all, nobody's checked in on the right car here. We gotta work it out. Alrighty, I need Manuel to cross the line and only Manuel. Manuel, I need you to get up on that. Hang on, we'll have to go to Eric's. Eric's will be good. Eric, cross the line, only Eric. Alrighty, now then, we've got 2 Jeff Reeves on the transponders here, so I need Jeff Reeves to cross the line, and only Jeff Reeves.
12-1-12-0 car.
Jeff Reeves.
Alright, Chris cross the line, and only Chris. Gotcha. Alright, Caleb cross the line, and only Caleb. There's the double. Alright, Manuel, this should be you across for me, so I can just make sure that I mess up. Gotcha. Alright, that's everybody. 5 for 5 drivers need a transponder work. Alright, it's going to be Manuel starting us off, followed by Caleb, then Chris, then Jeff, then Eric. Do I got all the marshals? Looks like it. Alright, Manuel, you're leading us off. 17.5 stadium truck, Thursday night. Manuel on the total, less than 5. Caleb. Chris. Jeff. Eric. Ready to go. Jeff Reeves in the blue. All right. Got blackout wheels there. Looks like my mini vehicle. All right, out of the gate, it's Manuel, followed by Reeves, followed by Eric. Oh no, Eric had his extra lap roll. Caleb taking the 2-spot roll of 14.8. Eric answering back with a 14.2. Caleb and Eric are battling out less than a tenth apart. Oh man, I gotta work on this. Zoom over here. Change it. Manuel out front on a 25.08. Caleb into 2 on a 25.13. Eric 2 seconds back now. Struggling to put down those 14.2s. Manuel's car's got plenty of turning. I need to get him slowly figure out how to line up. No, 6. It does okay, it's not bad. Work it out, there you go. Oh, whoa, that was pretty good. New stadium trucks have so much more than fat tires. Manuel doing new all that 14-1. 2:45 to go, almost a halfway point. Eric takes the 2-spot away from Caleb, and Caleb takes it right back. Then he backs it up with a 14.4 new outlap for Caleb. Oh no! Is that Manuel's body coming off this truck? I think it is. I don't know how long it's going to do the jumps now. It's staying on there. Oh. Somebody grab a body clip. Manuel, you've got 1.2 second lead if somebody put a body clip on that thing. Something tells me he doesn't care. Eric McDermott answering back with the hot lap of the race, 14.0. Chris put down a 16.2. Jeff has a 16.2 as well. Oh, 16.3, I'm sorry, Jeff. 1 minute 20 to go. Up next, Mini Bees. I will be getting me a Mini Bee. We'll put a solid lead brake in the Oh, we got another body coming off out there. We got 2 alligators out on the track. That's the first mistake I've seen Jeff really make. Less than a minute to go, 50 seconds to go. Alligator number 1 on the straightaway. Seconds to go. Eric up to the point. Manuel had a. Oh, he didn't. Manuel ran okay there. 64 was slow, but Eric's been putting down 14 threes and 4s. I didn't see it happen, but Eric up to the point. Caleb in the 2. Manuel fell to the 3. Oh, there it is. He had a 22nd lap. Oh no, Eric might be broken. No steering out of Eric. Watch the straightaway. Caleb, you're done. Chris, you're done. Run him over it. And that gets you third, Eric. And Jeff's done. That's the Rays. Caleb taking the W, 7th base tonight at 25 over.